Hello everyone. Welcome to English News for Learners. Today is July 21. Today we have 3 interesting stories from Japan. We will talk about the end of the rainy season, the Noto Peninsula Lighthouse, and soccer news. Let us begin.梅雨明け. The rainy season has ended. The Japan Meteorological Agency made the announcement yesterday. This affects the Kanto, Koshin, and Tokai regions. The rainy season ended on July 20th. This was 1 day later than the usual average. Now these areas are entering the peak of summer. Sunny weather will continue for the next week. A high-pressure system is covering the regions. This signals the start of full-scale summer heat. Residents should prepare for high temperatures. Please be careful about heat-related health issues. Drink plenty of water and stay cool. This marks the end of the wet season. Summer activities can now begin for many people. It is time to enjoy the bright sun. Next topic. Noto no Todai. The Rokkosaki Lighthouse is open again. It is at the tip of the Noto Peninsula. This is a famous landmark in the area. The lighthouse suffered damage during the recent earthquake. A large lens inside the building fell down. Restoration work was finished recently. Now the interior is open to the public again. This is the first time since the earthquake. It is a symbol of recovery for the region. Local officials hope this will help tourism. Visitors are welcome to see the historic site again. The view from the tip of the peninsula is beautiful. People are happy to see the lighthouse back. It represents hope for the local community. Many tourists are expected to visit soon. Moving on. Soccer World Ranking. Japan has moved up in the FIFA rankings. The national soccer team is now ranked 17th. This follows the North and Central American World Cup. Japan improved their position by 1 spot. This ranking shows their strong performance on the global stage. The team played very well during the tournament. Spain took the top spot in the world. They won the tournament this year. Many other teams also saw changes in their standings. This ranking is important for Japanese fans. It shows that Japan is a competitive team globally. Fans are proud of the players' hard work. We look forward to seeing them play again. Japan continues to grow in the soccer world. Keep supporting the team. And finally, that is all for today. Today we learned about the end of the rainy season. We also heard about the Noto Lighthouse and soccer rankings. You are doing a great job listening to the news. Keep practicing your English every day. See you next time.